Hello kids, learn A to Z animals name. A is for alligator.
A is for alligator.
Flash a toothy grin, even when their mouths are shut. But gators sometimes keep their lower.
B is for bear.
B is for bear.
The bear went over the mountain. The bear went over the mountain to see what he could see, and all that he could see.
C is for cow.
C is for cow.
D is for dinosaur.
D is for dinosaur.
E is for elephant.
E is for elephant.
F is for fox.
F is for fox.
G is for gorilla.
G is for gorilla.
H is for horse.
H is for horse.
I is for iguana.
I is for iguana.
They protect their eggs from a local snake, which is their main predator. The grown-ups have no common predators. Their breeding season is from May to June.
J is for jackal.
J is for jackal.
K is for kangaroo.
K is for kangaroo.
L is for lion.
L is for lion.
M is for monkey.
M is for monkey.
N is for numbered.
N is for numbered.
If it's to function properly as an instrument.
O is for ox.
O is for ox.
P is for panda.
P is for panda.
Q is for quail.
Q is for quail.
R is for rabbit.
R is for rabbit.
S is for sheep.
S is for sheep.
T is for tiger.
T is for tiger.
U is for unicorn.
U is for unicorn.
W is for wolf.
W is for wolf.
V is for vulture.
V is for vulture.
X is for zeros.
X is for zero.
Y is for yak.
Y is for yak.
Z is for zebra.
Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and laugh it.